So guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to get a video from this one to this one. So first we start Adobe Premiere Pro. So now we create a new project and I just call it Stabilize. So now I import the raw clip. I choose this clip from my last trip in France with my friend. So after import, we drag it in our timeline, and now you can see the video is still very shaky. So first cut the video how you want it, and there is the warp stabilizer in the effects panel here, and drag it onto your clip. Now it takes a little bit time to analyze and stabilize the whole thing. So the stabilization is finished, and as you can see, it's a lot more smoother now. I can't see any shakes here. But to get our clip even smoother, we pack a slow motion on it. But first we have to create a nested sequence. Right click and here, nest. So now we can add our slow motion here. Type in here optical flow and click OK. So now you have very smooth videos, and that's it. Yeah, and that's it. Check out my latest YouTube videos and haut rein!